today it's the 17th of November 2021. We have Lehmihaka Tuesday here in Havukoski, and it's also in Koivukylä, Järkiviiv, Itä-Vantaa, Vantaa, Eastern Vantaa in Helsinki's Sports Region, Uusi-Mainiland, Finland, with 7 floors. It was built in 1976 by ValmetSchlieren. And this residential building has 4 staircases, and we're going to go to the staircases A, B, and C here as well. We expect in the next year, 2022, and December is VS 4362. Capacity is 4.325 knots. And it deserves 2 rides, because this is even more amazing by ValmetSchlieren. It's a bit more rare.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll do it. I'm glad we managed to get into some ValmetSchlieren here this time.
Yeah.
But there's of course still with an impossible code that we'll have to try in the winter time.
Yeah.
And a silent ride we're going to do.
Yeah.
I love this style, it's and the Havukoski Kato 9 actually copies this style.
Yeah.
But it's with Koni with the V-series pictures.
Yeah.
I'm from the same year also, 1976.
Yeah.
And silent ride.
Is dit bike you maintained by Koni?
Now that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the 3 other stacks here.
That's